right, everybody, back at it again here in Conyers, Georgia. Getting ready to tackle this pretty nice sized driveway here and this beautiful home here in Conyers, Georgia. As you can see, good little size. See how long it takes us here. Weather warmed up pretty good out here. Awesome view. Sweet. When you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. High pros. Yep, as I said, tackling this pretty nice sized driveway here. Of course, we're going to pre-treat it. Walkway's in pretty bad shape, but it won't be for long. We'll probably go ahead and take care of this as well for the client. It's actually a new client. We'll leave him in pretty good shape. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll see you in a bit. Oh yeah, baby. Yes, indeed. Go ahead and serve dinner. You can eat off this one, baby. The lines, swirls, no burns, no organic matter. You come on down here so you can really see. Let me zoom in so you can see. You want it done right? 5 professionals, 24 19, 4 plate power by